So I've started off doing videos with drones and that sort of stuff, a bit more cinematic things. I've recently sort of moved more to video logs, that sort of stuff. Been combining GoPro footage and footage from my phone. So I've recently picked up the DJI gimbal as well for my phone, as well as the DJI Mic Minis to try and get that audio quality a bit better. But I've also been thinking about, wouldn't it be the restrictions of having the gimbal and the phone video and that sort of stuff, being able to follow it around and that sort of thing. Think with that in mind, I've found the DJI's new Nano, I think it is. Anyway, the little drone that's just come out. Apparently you can pair this directly with your phone and run the Mic Minis off that for audio. So basically turning this into a follow you gimbal with audio. This little bastard is very loud, so I'm interested to see if connecting the Mic Minis to my phone and controlling the DJI Neo with my phone, running the Mic Minis, will actually cancel out the prop noise with this. I'll throw a video in of the noise this makes by itself, and then I'll connect up the DJI Mic Minis to my phone and connect this to my phone and see if we can actually use it how I think I've wanted this for. So we'll give it a crack. Let's get this in the air and see how it sounds. So as you can see, it does follow you around. That's hands-free, without my phone connected, without the Mic Minis. I'm sure we can hear that buzzing its ring out in the background, and probably can't really hear too much audio from me. So we'll land this, and I'll connect it to my phone with the DJI mics, and we'll have a crack at that and see how we go. So DJI Mic Minis, set them up, connect it to the phone, use the mic, see if I can run both the gimbal and the drone at the same time. I'm not sure if I can, but we'll have a crack. Right, so I've just launched the drone. It's in follow mode again. I had a crack at this before, but I've got to turn the mics on. So again, wearing the Mic Mini, DJI Neo in follow mode. I should be able to walk around, have the drone follow me, potentially point out things. It's portable cameraman is kind of the idea that I was going for. So with a bit of luck, this works, and you should be able to then stop and land the drone. Well, that works. So that's even better. Can't hear the props on the Neo at all. You walk around. It'll be interesting to see how much other ambient noise the mics pick up while we're doing this. There's cars and trucks and that driving around. But anyway, I'm going to get back on the road, heading up to Cape York. So this will be a handy little tool to have while I'm out and about. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe and like the videos, comment below, that sort of stuff. Cool. See you on the next one.